In today's video, I'll show you how to correctly install and play God of War Chains of Olympus on any PC and the best controller to utilize so that you can get a very good and smooth gaming experience.
For far too long.
Now, simply start by searching for PPSSPP for PC. You are going to see the official website, so click on it. Then select download. Once you do this, it's going to ask you if you are downloading for Android, iOS or Windows. We obviously need it on our PC, so we're going to click PPSSPP installer for Windows. Once you do this, you can start downloading the app. So once I click on save now, it's going to download the installer. So right now it is done with that. So if I go to my download section, you can see that the PPSSPP setup is right here. So we're going to double click on that, click OK, install. Just like that, it is done installing. So once I click on finish, it's going to open up for the first time. So once it's opened up for the first time like this, there's definitely not going to be any game for you to play. So you have to extract your game that you are going to play. So first of all, if I open my file manager and I go to the document section, you see that I've created a PPSSPP folder for me in here. So right now I have to bring any PSP game file and come put it in here. So I have some game files in here. For this video, we're going to be going with that of God of War Chains of Olympus. So I'm going to copy that real quick. Then I'll go to my document section, PPSSPP, PSP, game, and I'll paste that in here. Now, this is actually a zip file, so we are going to have to extract it. So, if you don't know how to extract zip files, simply download WinRAR to your PC. Once you download WinRAR to your PC, you'll be able to extract zip files. So, once I click on extract all, it's going to start extracting the original game file. Alright, it is done with that. So, we're not going to be needing this zip file anymore, so we're going to delete that. So, if I go back to my emulator, I click on PPSSPP, PSP, game. You can see that the game is here and is ready to play. Now, when it comes to the best controller for you to use for the PPSSPP emulator, it's better you use the Xbox 360 USB controller. So I'm going to insert my controller right now. Alright, my controller is connected. So we're going to go to the settings. Now, for rendering resolution, you can go with 4x PSP or 8s PSP, depending on how powerful your device is. So, as for me, I'll be going with 4x PSP. Then, you enable the full screen mode, and that's pretty much everything that you need. So, right now, let's give this game a try and see how it actually goes. Lastly, if you found any value from this video, then do consider smashing that subscribe button to help me on my YouTube growth journey, because I've been trying to get to 5,000 subscribers for a while now. It have actually been taking me forever just to get there. But I know that with your help, through you smashing that button, I can actually get there super fast and super easy. Also, by now, I think you might be seeing some of my similar videos or some of my playlists on your screen. So if you have some free time, you can also go ahead and watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'm going to see you guys on my next video.